In this video today, I'm going to share with you 2 spiritual products that you can use to stop spiritual attacks. If you're always having spiritual attacks in your home, in your place of work, and you want to stop it, these 2 products is something that you can use to stop it. Okay, sometimes these attacks comes in form of dreams, sometimes it comes in form of sickness. Okay, and if you're having these problems, you want to stop it. Maybe you have been using other products and it has not stopped. These 2 products I'm going to show you is something that you should use, and that attack will stop. Okay, or if your children are having these spiritual attacks, if they are having nightmares, something always disturbing them at night, and you need to stop it, these 2 products is something that you can use to stop it. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you the product, and I'm going to be telling you how you can use it. This product is something that you can buy from the market. Okay, just go to anywhere they are selling spiritual product and ask them of this product. They are going to give it to you. Okay, but make sure that you buy original, because it has fake and it has original as well. Okay, but if you cannot buy it, you can buy it from my online store. Just click on my bio, you will see my store link there. Just click on that link, you can buy it from my store. Okay, and it will be delivered to you. All right, so the product I'm talking about is, number 1 is Holy Michael perfume. Okay, this is Holy Michael perfume. Okay, some people go to the market and buy this perfume and start using it. Okay, and sometimes this perfume may not give you what you want when you just buy it and start using it like that. Okay, it may not give you what you want. Okay, I'm not saying that the product doesn't work, it works, but to some people it may not give them exactly what they want. Okay, so you need to buy this Holy Michael, and this Holy Michael, you need to make sure that you buy the original one. Okay, buy Holy Michael. Okay, and as well buy this product. This is anti-witchcraft powder. Okay, this anti-witchcraft powder is something that is very powerful to stop witchcraft. It's something that is powerful to stop evil. Okay, now these 2 products is something that I want you to buy. If you're having spiritual attacks, just buy these 2 products. Now these 2 products, how are you going to use it? You are going to mix it together. Get this powder, open it and pour it inside this Holy Michael perfume. Now shake it very well. Okay, shake it very well. When you shake it very well, you can be sprinkling it in your house at night. Okay, it has a powerful fragrance. You can sprinkle it in your house, around your house. You can rub it on your body. Okay, you can rub it on your body, any part of your body. You can rub it. You can rub it at the body of your children. Okay, these 2 products, when you mix them together, use it in your house, in your office, anywhere you're having that spiritual attacks. Just go there and sprinkle the items there. It's going to stop any form of spiritual attacks. These 2 products, this is anti-witchcraft powder, this is Holy Michael perfume. Okay, when you use these 2 products, it's going to stop any form of spiritual attack that you are having. Okay, if you have been using other spiritual products and it has not been working, try these 2 products. Okay, just buy it from the market if you can get it, but if you cannot get it from the market, please order from my online store. It will be delivered to you. Just get them, use it at home. Okay, sprinkle it and pray, and you see that that's evil attack, that spiritual attack that you always have at night, that spiritual forces that always come at night to disturb you and your household, is going to stop when they perceive the fragrance from these items. Okay, mix it together, shake it very well, pray and sprinkle it in your environment. It's going to stop any form of spiritual attack. Okay, so that is how to use these 2 products to stop spiritual attacks. Okay, so if you're always having spiritual attack in your home, your place of work, and you are looking for a way to stop it, just get these 2 products I just showed you in this video. It's going to help you. Okay, remember, it has original and it has fake. Make sure that you get the original so that it will give you exactly what you want. Okay, my name is Gideon. I share spiritual tip here. Initially, if you are seeing me for the first time, I'm saying a very big welcome to you. Please, before you leave, subscribe, give the video a thumbs up if you like my teaching, and I promise you, you are not going to regret subscribing to this channel. Okay, so make sure that you do this at home. Just get the two powerful products. Okay, get that two powerful products to stop any form of spiritual attacks. If you have any question that you want to ask, please use the comment section, okay, so that I'll explain it more better for you. Okay, and make sure that you share this video. Okay, a lot of people are going through problems, spiritual attacks. They don't know the type of product they use, so make sure that you use this product. You are going to be free from any form of spiritual attacks. Okay, so see you guys in my next video. Bye.